Good morning. My goodness. Thank you very much. Dignitaries on stage, respected all guests who have come, entrepreneurs and IMTOF officials and my fellow professionals. Thank you very much for making me the first opening batsman of this particular program. I'm really honored. I don't know. It so happened I was here on 2024 inauguration. I do not know why they call me again in 2026. There is a palpable change happened in these 2 years. These 2 years has been tremendous change. It's not an incremental change. A paradigm change has happened in these 2 years for various reasons, right? India has changed dramatically in these 2 years. In every measure, whatever we could think of, we have changed. For good, in fact. Of course, there are geopolitical scenarios, geopolitical pressures, which has come in last 1.5 months or maybe 1 month. We don't know. The future is really uncertain. Every day we are grappling with the situation, what will happen tomorrow. Right? You know, they used to say, whenever, let us say, a large conglomerate, a business conglomerate, the chairman of the company opens in the morning and say, this is the price and that will be the price. Today, our good friend, the top man of USA, has become that particular person, wakes up every day morning, says, I will bomb this, I will not bomb this, I will withdraw, I will not withdraw. We do not know what he talks about. But unfortunately, we are in a world, we have to go through that process. That is the big change we are facing on a day-to-day basis. As business people, as entrepreneurs, and in the professional world, we have to go by all these things. It is our day-to-day practice. Now, what exactly is happening in terms of this particular exhibition? No, we are last time when I said the same thing. 2024. We want to be one of the powerhouse, India to be the powerhouse in manufacturing. Because manufacturing is going to give you the kind of a strength what other sectors cannot give. UK, if you take, United Kingdom into it as a manufacturing powerhouse, it had all the strength. Today, I'm not very sure, you can correct me if I'm wrong, today is no more a manufacturing powerhouse. It's a service-dependent country. But India's contribution to the world, if you look at, hardly noticeable, 3.2%. 3.2% of the global manufacturing is India's contribution vis-a-vis any country. If you take China, it's about 28%. America is 17%. We are fifth, maybe fifth, but not by numbers, right? So India has to grow in manufacturing, and manufacturing will be our strength, and this, which is contributing 18% to our GDP. So India's manufacturing strength has to increase. And this particular IMTOF and you associations are very, very critical of it. But what ails our manufacturing industry per se? One, very important, we are not original researchers. Don't take me wrong, I am also included. We are not original researchers. Our research spending is, don't take abysmal if I'm allowed to say that. Hardly anything. 0.5%, 0.6% is our research spending. With comparative to other countries, I don't want to say, it's all very high. Hardly anything. The moment we say R&D, what is that? We don't do a original research. The original research, innovative research should be our target. And this particular association, people in this room are in the right place, right people to do it better. Right? We are supposed to spend more money on research. Original research only can take us. India is great in software industry. What are we doing? We don't do. We do body shopping. That's all. As simple as that. Right? We exactly do body shopping. We don't do any big. Are we great in hardware technology? No. Right? Do we have original research technology? No. We need to go to that place. That's what is going to bring India to a better place. And this group, this place is the right place because you are in the forefront to do it, right? Second, we are seeing that today there is a human capital crunch, right? Right kind of people are not available. We do have a lot of people, but we have got only heads. Do we have right kind of hands, right kind of thinking people who could take us? Because the world is changing so fast. I don't know, everybody is going to talk about it. Artificial intelligence has become a key word everywhere. Everybody is talking about it. Is it going to take our charge? Are we ready to compete there? Right? And this association, what I said last 2 years before, you are supposed to be responsible. You are responsible to bring about the human capital also. I said IMTOF or whatever the association should bring in a lot of training activities for people to compete in this competitive world. So that's very, very important. The third is we are supposed to collaborate a lot, right? Every industry has got its own USPs. We need to collaborate. We need to take the best points of every industry. Today, that's a great thing. You have joined, 2 associations have joined, right? That's a big hallmark. I'll tell you, that's a big change. Because we are going to have a cross-learning. Phenomenal cross-learning can come. So collaborative effort has to come in a big way. The last point, which I don't know whether it's a bane for India, we are very slow in executing our projects. We are very, very slow. You can see, I don't know, if Chennai, people from Chennai can understand, hardly we are gloating ourselves that Velachery, St. Thomas Mount, MRTS has been inaugurated. Arey yaar, how long this has been waiting? Hardly for 500 meters of rail line, just 500 meters of rail line, we have waited for almost 9 years. Right? And we gloat and say, oh, Velachery, St. Thomas Mount, MRTS has started. Fine, at least it has started. Good. Right? Now, the faster pace of execution is the requirement of the day. We need to work on this by way of these associations because you have got a collective strength. This collective strength, which is coupled with your passion to do something for the country, is going to be taking in a big way. I'm very glad today you're exhibiting the technological advancement. I just saw some of them. The innovative technologies which are being shown, right? That is what is going to change India's position in the global world. And honestly, we are in the very right place today. Every company you take, any organization, now today the mantra is China plus one. So we are in the, everybody has already given China as a position because they are 28%. But today, every industry, every organization is talking China plus one. Unfortunately for us, that plus one is India. Let us grab this opportunity. Let us do better things. And collectively, you can do a lot. I know IMTOF can do a lot of things. I'm seeing a lot of innovative machines which have come in because technology is changing. What was yesterday is not today. So obviously we need to do more. And this collective intelligence and collective association will bring us very big advancement and achievement. I'm very glad and congratulate the IMTOF people who have come together to do this, and of course the Institute of Plastic Engineering and other things who are supporting this. And this exhibition should pave way for doing much, much better things. Thank you very much.